Climax Springs, Green Bay Terrace, Nubby, Hurricane Deck, Old Creek, Edwards, Arnold Service. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri: Benton, Canton, and Morgan. The current time is 7:42 p.m. Central Standard Time. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hickory County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warning area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Benton, northwestern Canton, and south central Morgan counties. At 7:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of Mack Creek or 16 miles northeast of Hermitage, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lake of the Ozarks, Lake of the Ozarks State Park, Osage Beach, Kansas, Village of Four Seasons, Lake Ozark, Glory, Sunrise Beach, Lynn Creek, Dubois Mills, Climax Springs, Green Bay Terrace, Nubby, Hurricane Deck, Old Creek, Edwards, Arnold Service. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri: Benton, Canton, and Morgan.